But good thing you had your screen cover.
We gotta see how our little microwave cake came out. God damn, it's hot.
You need a knife.
Oh shit, there it is. Whoa.
Oh, it got stuck to the bottom. You gotta scoop that out with butter.
Yeah, we should have probably buttered the damn cup, but the instructions didn't say. Holy shit, it's actually cakey. It's actually fucking cakey. It's still like some raw parts on the outside or whatever.
Just trim it off.
Let's see here. Oh shit. Motherfucker. Trying to escape. You try to get it out. That shit's stuck. Seeing as we didn't have chocolate mix, we used strawberry or fresa. Oh shit, Beat-up got it out. Oh shit, there's the sample. Try it.
Alright.
What does it taste like?
Taste it.
If it's fucking nasty, I'm a sticky. Oh shit, it actually gets hot. Oh shit, it's hot.
Not really.
Oh, the piece you got was a little fucking loose piece. Alright. It's actually alright. It's not good, but it's not nasty.
It's that right in between.
It's edible. Hold on, don't we got frosting? Hell yeah! Oh shit. About to hook it up with some of that there whipped chocolate frosting.
Oh yeah, make it more chocolatey.
Bust that with a something just oh fuck. Whoa. Do you have to what?
Do I have to cook it?
No fool, that's fucking frosting.
Sorry, I never used frosting before.
Whoa.
Sorry, we don't have frosting at our house.
It'd be better with a fucking fork there. We'll just drop it on there, like we'll use it like dip or something. Wow, your frosting skills are amazing.
I don't know.
Just looks like you fucking. It looks like you used a sponge to wash the dishes and wiped your ass with it.
I let this get mark.
Frosting. Try it with frosting now. So I did pretty fucking good with the frosting. Yeah, that shit's fucking good with the frosting. I mean, it's a bland cake, but you put some frosting on this bitch.
Put it right there on the plate.
Wipe some of that little shit on there. It's not bad.
I think we need to make
People
more.
need to try this shit. We might make more. People need to try it.